In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an AliExpress order. To start, open your web browser and go to www.aliexpress.com. Make sure you're signed into the same account you used when you placed the order. If you're not logged in, click the sign in option at the top right and enter your credentials. Being in the correct account is important because cancellations are tied to the exact order in your purchase history. Once you're logged in, hover over your profile icon and select My Orders. This takes you to your order list, where you'll see each item with its order number, price, and current status. Scroll until you find the order you want to cancel. Double check the item details to confirm you're selecting the right one, especially if you've placed multiple similar orders. Open that order's page, look at the status carefully. Cancellations are usually available while the order is awaiting payment or awaiting shipment. If the order shows shipped or completed, the cancel option may be unavailable. In that case, you won't be able to cancel through the standard flow. If the cancel order button is visible, click it. A small window will appear asking you to choose a reason for the cancellation. Pick the option that best matches your situation, such as ordering by mistake, changing your mind, or updating your address. Providing an accurate reason helps the seller process it quickly and improves your chances of a smooth approval. After you've selected the reason, click Confirm to submit your request. You'll see a confirmation message, and the order status will update to reflect that the cancellation is in progress. At this stage, the seller may need to approve the request if the package hasn't shipped yet. Keep an eye on your notifications or email for updates. If your cancellation is approved, refunds are automatically issued to your original payment method. Processing times vary by bank or card issuer. It can take several business days for the credit to appear. You can always check the latest status by returning to My Orders and viewing that order's timeline. Quick tips to wrap up: act as soon as you decide to cancel, because once an item ships, the option generally disappears. If you used a coupon or promotion, its return will depend on the campaign rules. And remember, you can monitor every step from the My Orders page. That's it. You've now requested a cancellation on AliExpress.